back to Shadow Fight Stick War? Shadow War Stick Fight. I can never remember. Anyway, we're doing the tower as usual. We are on stage 4 now. We've cleared stage 3. We beat a god. And I did a thing. I unlocked the god himself that we beat in the last one. So hopefully I can use him to kick some serious Saiyan booty. And we'll see. I don't know. I have no idea. Oh gosh. Oh wow. He just reversed that on me. That's not what I was expecting at all. Here, take some of this shit. Dude, okay, I gotta admit it, this god character, maybe possibly a little OP. Guess what, dude? You are dead. You're dead. Dude, blowing through the tower like it's nothing now. Remember last stage when I was having so much trouble? Nothing. This is nothing. Who are you? Who are you, girl with wings on your hat? You think you can take me on? I am a god. I am a god. Watch, we're gonna blow through like 2 or 3 fights this time. Come on. Oh. Ow, okay. Oh yeah, you think so? Here, have some of this. Dude. I'm not saying this is like way OP, but this is way OP. Get wrecked. Take this. You're out of here. You're done. Watch, I'm going to blow through a couple of them with this guy. Oh my gosh, he's so cool. He's so powerful. Stage 6. Let's go. The first fights literally took me an episode each, and now I'm blowing through 3 at least in one episode. Let's do this. Let's see how fast I can get through this guy. Uh-oh. Ow. Here, get some of this. My supernova bomb move of doom. Get off me. Get off me. Take some of this. In fact, take another one. I'm not done. Take another one. Oh my god, I am death incarnate. Alright. Stage 7. Let's see, can we do 4 fights in one episode? I might just go until I lose, but with this guy, who knows? I might clear the tower. Let's see what happens. Oh, we got raccoons out there in the trash. I can hear them. Oh my god, that was nuts. We're like almost evenly matched, I think. I think that's what's going on here. Is me and this character are just about even, but I got the power of the human mind on my side, whereas you're just an AI. Get some, and then get some of this. Nope, dodge it. Yep, I'm out of there. Where are you? Where even are you? Here, just get some. Ooh, she's quick. She thinks she's fast. Oh, come on. Ow. Oh, that is it. Come on. Boom. Done.
KO. You win.
Was that supposed to be like old school, like young Bulma? Or what do you think that was? Alright. This guy looks a little tough. I'm ready. I guess it might be a girl. It's got a physique to it. Let's go. Uh-oh. Oof. What? What was that? Oh my gosh. They're not trying to make it easy on me anymore, are they? There we go. Sorry for all the tapping, but I'm going to get this fight right about now. Nope. Oh, dang it. Come on. Block. Yeah, you're done.
KO. You win.
I might actually have to change off of this character for like another fight or two, because this is now getting too easy. How big is this? Oh, wait, this tower just keeps going, doesn't it? Never mind. Let's do it. Let's do one more. We're going to go from freaking fight 3 to fight 10. Oh, I need to... Wait. Oh, I have to fight this person. Okay, let's do it. Ooh, they're cool.
Ready.
I am just going to destroy people, man. Uh-oh, not like that, though. Not like that, though. Owned. Get wrecked. Here, take another one. Here, take a third one. And get some of these. Nice.
KO.
There it is, folks. I'm going to end it right there. That is too cool. So, yeah, this character is definitely, like, way OP. Thank you guys for tuning in to another episode of Dragon Stick Fight War, Shadow War Fight Stick. Fight. My name's Gumroom Jim. Later.